Hi everyone, Michelle here. I wanted to go ahead and film a little video. Sorry I don't have any makeup or my hair is not done. But I know you can't believe it, but I went months without getting any plant mail, and I have more plant mail. But this time I really have wish list plants. I mean, I really have wish list plants this time. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And see what we have inside. This came to me from Massachusetts. Can hardly believe it. Okay. And we have, in here we have a little box. So we got one here. We got a little card. And we got some little, she sent me some tree fern fiber. Now, wasn't that nice of her? She sent me some tree fern fiber so I could try it out with these cuttings. And she sent me a little card. Wasn't that nice of her? Oh my goodness. She sent me, her kid drew a little card. 4-year-old doodles, so that was really nice. So here is my cuttings. Feels like they're in, oh, yep, they're in a little box. And I have some little, that's nice. She gave me some plant tags, so I know what they are. There's 3 cuttings in here. She threw in one just to be really nice, so that was really nice of her. My goodness, look what we have. First of all, we have a variegated, let me set this down. We have a little variegated Walliniana cutting. Isn't that gorgeous? I have some issues with Walliniana. They drive me to drink sometimes, but I'm gonna keep trying them. And then here is my wish list plant. Oh my gosh, look at it. It is so precious. Look, a Carrii. Oh my goodness, can you believe that? Look at how precious that is. My dog wants to come here and join. She wants to see the plants too. Sorry. But look at that Carrii. Oh my gosh, that is so precious. That is so tiny. Can you believe that? Can you believe that, Sandy? Can you believe it's that tiny? I know. You better go. And the second cutting I have is a Waymaniae, cloudy sky. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, it's fuzzy on the bottom. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So I got 3 cuttings today. I got the Carrii and the Walliniana, the Waymaniae cloudy sky, and the Walliniana variegated. So I got these from, I'm drawing a blank right now, but I'm going to put it on the screen below because she's a very nice lady. Her name is Regina. So she's a very nice lady. I found her on the Facebook group US Hoya Market. So she definitely fulfilled my wish list. Carrii, I didn't think I would be able to get because just a few months ago those were extremely out of my price range. And the Waymaniae cloudy sky was also another one that was a little out of my price range. But thankfully I was able to get some cuttings and am now able to start my thing. And I got some tree fern fiber. So I'm going to try these in that, and I'm going to see what the tree fern fiber fanfare is all about. So that will be really exciting. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in my non-makeup self. I hope that I will see you in the next video. If you like this content, please consider giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see other planty content for me, please subscribe to the channel. That would really help a lot. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.